Welcome back to Money Matters Tips. We'll compare mistakes investors make in Kenya, the UK, the US, and globally, and I'll share practical lessons to help you protect your wealth. You saved, you've invested, and you think the hard work is done. But here's the truth. Most investors don't lose money because of the investment itself. They lose it because of what they do after investing. Today, we'll explore 12 of the biggest mistakes people make after investing their money, and the worst-case scenarios you must avoid. Let's look at 7 common investing mistakes, plus 5 critical hidden traps. Mistake 1. Not monitoring your investment. Some people think investing is a one-time decision. They buy shares, real estate, or put money in a fund and then forget about it. The danger? Markets change, companies collapse, economies shift. Example, Uchumi Supermarkets in Kenya was once a strong retail stock. Those who didn't monitor performance watched their investment shrink to almost nothing. You wake up years later and realize your money is gone. Lesson: always review your investments at least once every quarter or year. Mistake 2. Pulling out too early. When markets drop, fear kicks in. Many investors sell too quickly, locking in losses. Example, in March 2020, during the COVID crash, global stock markets fell sharply. Those who sold panicked at the bottom, but those who held on saw record highs just a year later. You sell your house, your stocks, or your land at the lowest possible price, only to see the market recover without you. Lesson: patience is key. Short-term dips are normal. Long-term growth is where the wealth lies. Mistake 3. Overconfidence. One big win can trick people into thinking they're financial geniuses. Example, someone buys Bitcoin at $3,000 and it rises to $60,000. Overconfident, they throw everything into a meme coin like Dogecoin or Luna and lose everything overnight. Worst-case scenario? Years of savings vanish because of one reckless move. Lesson: confidence is good, but never confuse luck with skill. Mistake 4. Stick to research and diversification. Ignoring diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a classic mistake. Example, a diaspora investor sends all their savings back home to build a rental property. When tenants move out, there's zero income, yet property taxes and repairs keep coming. Or an investor puts everything into one stock, which later collapses. Worst-case scenario? One wrong investment decision wipes out your entire portfolio. Lesson: spread your investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, even businesses. Diversification is your safety net. Mistake 5. Not reinvesting profits. Many investors make money but fail to grow it further. Example, a company pays you $500 in dividends. Instead of reinvesting into more shares, you buy new clothes or a holiday. Or your rental house pays $1,000 monthly, but you spend it all instead of saving for another property. Your portfolio never grows, and inflation slowly eats away your money. Lesson: reinvest profits to accelerate growth. Compounding is the secret of wealth. Mistake 6. Falling for scams and guaranteed returns. This mistake has cost the diaspora billions. Scammers target investors with promises like double your money in 3 months or guaranteed 20% monthly returns. Example, Ponzi schemes like BitConnect or local pyramid savings clubs. They pay early investors with new investors' money, then collapse overnight. You lose your savings, your family's trust, and sometimes even take loans trying to recover. Lesson: if returns sound too good to be true, they probably are. Always check if the investment is licensed, regulated, and transparent. Mistake 7. Ignoring taxes and fees. Even profitable investments can lose value if you ignore taxes and hidden fees. Example, a rental property earns you $10,000 yearly, but after property tax, repairs, and management fees, you only keep $4,000. Or investing in foreign shares. Dividends may be taxed twice, in the host country and at home. You think you're building wealth, but fees and taxes silently eat away your profits. Lesson: always factor in costs and taxes before calculating returns. Net profit matters more than gross numbers. Mistake 8. Following the crowd. Herd mentality. Many investors make decisions just because everyone else is doing it. Example: during the housing boom in the US before 2008, everyone rushed to buy property. Prices skyrocketed, then collapsed, causing the global financial crisis. In Kenya, the rush into Safaricom IPO in 2008 saw people buy at the hype, only to wait years for returns. Worst-case scenario, you buy at the top, panic when everyone sells, and lose both ways. Lesson: do your own research. Herds are great in nature, but in investing, they often run off a cliff. Mistake 9. Investing with emotions. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of investors. Example: a greedy investor doubles down on a stock because it's rising, then watches it crash. A fearful investor sells at a loss, missing the rebound. Your decisions are ruled by emotion, not logic, and your portfolio becomes a roller coaster of regret. Have a plan and stick to it. Discipline beats emotion every time. Mistake 10. Ignoring inflation. Many people keep money in low-interest accounts or poor investments, thinking they're safe. Example: if your savings earn 3% interest, but inflation is at 7%, you're actually losing 4% in real value every year. After 10 years, your money buys much less than today. Lesson: choose investments that outpace inflation, like strong stocks, bonds, or real estate. Mistake 11. Not having an exit strategy. Some investors don't know when to sell. Example: a business owner builds a shop but has no plan to exit. When competition rises, they cling on and lose value. Or a stock investor rides the market all the way up, then all the way back down. You watch your gains disappear because you never decided on an exit point. Lesson: before investing, ask, when and how will I take profit? Mistake 12. Putting all trust in one advisor or expert. Financial advisors, managers, or even YouTubers like me can guide you, but never give 100% blind trust. Example: in the UK, Neil Woodford was a famous fund manager. Thousands trusted him fully, but his fund collapsed in 2019, wiping out billions. Your entire financial future depends on one person's decision, and they fail. Lesson: listen to advice, but always double-check and make your own informed decisions. So here's the list of 12 mistakes investors make after investing. Not monitoring, pulling out too early, overconfidence, lack of diversification, not reinvesting profits, falling for scams, ignoring taxes and fees, following the crowd, emotional investing, ignoring inflation, no exit strategy, blind trust in one advisor. The worst-case scenarios range from losing your savings to being left with nothing to show for years of effort. But if you learn these lessons now, you'll be miles ahead of the average investor. Remember, wealth is not just about making money, it's about keeping it and making it grow. So, here's the big picture. Investing isn't just about putting your money somewhere and waiting. It's about how you manage that investment afterward, the decisions you make, the patience you show, and the traps you avoid. Many people lose money not because the opportunity was bad, but because they pulled out too early, trusted the wrong person, or simply ignored the hidden costs. The truth is, if you can avoid these mistakes, you're already ahead of the majority of investors. You'll not only protect your money, but you'll give it the best chance to grow and create lasting wealth for yourself and your family. So take a moment. Look at your current investments. Ask yourself if you're falling into any of these traps, and decide today to take smarter steps forward. And remember, wealth isn't built in one day. It's built by avoiding the wrong steps and staying consistent with the right ones. Thank you for watching Money Matters Tips. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's serious about investing wisely. And in the comments, tell me, which of these mistakes do you think is the hardest to avoid?
Yo, check it. My wallet's looking kinda skinny. Need to make it look thicky. Stacking dough is the mission, gotta listen. No more splurging every Friday. Time to do things my way. Gotta get that dough. Gotta save for tomorrow. No more sorrow. Gotta get that dough. Future's looking hollow if we don't get that dough. Used to buy shoes every week. Now that thought makes me weak. Rent is always creeping, so now I'm sleeping. No more splurging every Friday. Time to do things my way. Gotta get that dough. Gotta save for tomorrow. No more sorrow. Gotta get that dough. Future's looking hollow if we